Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. Next, s squared minus s squared we cancel. Next, number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. This one by number 2. Now s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 we cancel. Number 4 divided by number 2 we have number 2. The integration of this one we have 2x and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.